Today I'm going to show you how to mount a stainless steel sink onto a thick butcher block countertop. See, if you take the normal clips that come with it, set that down, they are way too thin. Here, watch. I put it in, and as you can see, there's no way, it's just not going to reach. I can go, make it as tall, but there's the max. There are three possible solutions. The first solution is just to buy bigger clips. You can go to Amazon. Second solution is to bend the existing clips so they can handle a thicker butcher board. And the third is to use a router to cut out some slots in the butcher board so the clips will fit. Now, if you buy the clips, go to Amazon, you can find these longer clips. The problem is, like this one you see is for Kohler sinks. So it's not guaranteed that one clip is going to fit every single sink. So it may take a while researching it, and you may even get it in the mail and it doesn't fit and you got to return it. Here I'm going to show you how to bend the clips. Hold it like that so it doesn't stretch. You want it because that bolt has to be able to go through both those holes. You just take a pair of needle nose pliers around the end, squeeze everything, and just give it a good twist like that. Check that out. So far, you can see there's a regular one. See how much it's expanded out. It's pretty significant. And let's just check it out. Let's see. Goes this way. It's reverse threads. Spin it backwards. Okay. Let's go ahead and pull this one off. See if the new one fits. Okay. Goes down. Oops. Okay. Did it backwards. Did it backwards. It's got to go that way. Okay. Slide down, twist it, and voila. Twist that out. You can see. Nice little. Option 3 is definitely the best option. It's the most professional, and that is using the router to cut some little slots on each of the sides of the butcher block. So ideally, you'd be cutting out 8 different slots if you want it really secured well. It doesn't have to be perfectly clean. Now you want kind of a U-shaped slot. And I usually go half the thickness of the butcher block. So a butcher block is 1.5 inches thick. So I go about 3/4 of an inch. And again, it doesn't have to be that clean. As long as the clip can twist in and fit properly, that's all that matters. Nobody's going to see this. This is it'll be on the underside of your countertop. So it's not that big a deal. Exactly how it's perfectly clean. You can even see here kind of each slot was slightly different. Not a big deal. And you can see, I'm just going to kind of show you. So now I'm going to go ahead and install or secure the sink to the butcher block. It's definitely easier when you have the butcher block out before you've actually installed it. So here, this is a small bar sink. The plumbing's already hooked up there because I did a test fit. I secured it all and I didn't want to take it apart, so I left it in place. But anyhow, so there I'm setting the stainless steel. This is a top mount sink. Set it in place, and then I pull my clips out. And again, you just slide the clips in that little slot. There's an edge, a little slot on each of the 4 sides of the sink. You just slide it in, and then again you just give it a good twist. That's why you want the U shape on the little slot. so it can twist in there. And you just take your screwdriver and you twist it clockwise to tighten. Here's a picture of the final product. Now I will add, you should add a bead of silicone caulking all along the edge of the lip underneath the stainless steel countertop. That way the water doesn't seep underneath in between the sink and the countertop. And that is how you secure a stainless steel sink to a butcher block countertop. Please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.